King Ralio.
You guys, so I'm using this cloth that I get from Sally's and it's like $14, and then these craft sticks which are from Michael's. Then I have this wax warmer, and then I'm using the honey wax, and I'll try and link all that stuff down below. So I'm just going to take the craft stick and apply the wax, and I always apply the wax coming into my body, and then I just put the strip on top, and then you're gonna rip the opposite direction that you waxed, and it's really that simple. You guys don't judge me because it's definitely quarantine, so I'm kind of extra hairy, but this is what I do in order to wax my underarms. So I'm literally just going to repeat these same steps for my whole entire armpit, and the same thing for the other side. And then once I'm done waxing, you're gonna see me apply some oil. Then after that, I just go in and tweeze any little pieces of hair that I might have left behind, and that's that. So I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys just watch the remainder of the process.